Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to One IT Digital. In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to hide login URL. So first of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. If you don't know what is login URL, this is your WordPress URL, login URL. That means your domain name and wp-admin. And this wp-admin it is called a login URL and it can be hacked anytime by the hackers. So if you want to protect your website from hackers, you can change this login URL. So for that, first of all, you need to install a plugin called WPS Hide. So navigate to the plugin section and click add plugin. And here search for WPS Hide. This is the plugin. Install now and click activate. Okay, if you want to refresh your website, then you need to delete the unused plugins. I'm deleting my unused plugins, and here you can see WPS Hide Login plugin is activated. Just click on settings and it will open your WordPress general settings. Under the general settings, scroll down and here you can see your login URL and here the login. So you can input here any kind of word you want. So I'm importing anti-theft. You can input any kind of words if you want and just save changes. And now if you want to visit this URL, just copy and here paste. It will redirect to your website, but if we want to open this as an incognito tab, see, the page is not found, and this is something embarrassing because our login URL is changed. So this is how you can change your login URL and you can protect your website. Thank you for watching. We will see the next video very soon. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.